Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Civil Engineering X. In today's video, I will be teaching you about how to make a good CV so that you will easily get hired in the jobs. As you all know, we all struggle too much just after completing the bachelor degree about how to make CV and how to apply it anywhere in the jobs. So uh, to remove your confusion today, this video might seem to be a boon if you watch this. So at first, we need to make a proper format for the CV writing. Just by making CV without random choice and selection might prove a very much a disaster, because nowadays your CV represents your personality a lot. So at first, this is my sample CV. Curriculum vitae. CV, the full form of CV is curriculum vitae. Yeah, we should all know that. And personal information, I have divided my CV into two segments. In this segment, I will write the keywords, and in this segment, I will describe my keywords. You can easily do that in your if you know how to use your Microsoft Word well. So in personal information, at first write your name XYZ and write your location, where do you live, and then your cell phone number, your Gmail address, and then the other description like your nationality, date of birth, your sex, whether you are male or female, and like that things. And in the segment 2, I have included the work experience. So if you have any work experience that you have done previously during your study in bachelor's or any other work, you can simply write the date from which date you have done up to when. So as a project engineer I have worked, so that's why I have also written the experience. I have mentioned my experience and the duties. What have you done during your contract period in the work? So just mention your position and your duties. What are the things that you have done, so that it will be easier for the company to study your CV and then you can get hired easily. After that, you can simply add as much as work experience that you have been during your work time. So add it, as I have added a lot, as you can see. And then after work experience, because work experience matters more, so if you write your work experience at the top, then they can easily say that how much experience that you have been, so that they won't go through all of your other documents below. And then I have write education and training. After work experience, education and training. Currently what you are studying or what you are working, and what you have when did you complete your bachelor, when did you complete your intermediate level, or when did you complete your graduate. You can simply write it in this format, and then you can write your GPA or percentage like this I have written. So after that, you can simply write your skills. What are the skills that you have excelled during your life? So what is your mother tongue, and what is your other language that you know except your mother tongue language. And your interpersonal skills means that we have gained in personally. So what are the interpersonal skills that I have added is ability to communicate with people at all levels, good understanding, reading, writing and speaking, experience, research skill gained through blah 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 and blah blah blah. Interpersonal skills, and then communication skills. How good are you in communicating with other persons, because it matters the most. So organizational skills, while you are worked in any other company or organization, then what are your organizational skills that you have learned during the process? And then the computer skills, as we all know, during the bachelor we use a lot of softwares like AutoCAD, SAP, ETABS, and Microsoft package like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and you can also add other computer skills that you know, which might boost up your confidence level during the workability period or during your CV. So I have also mentioned my video editing and thumbnail preparations like this and like that. You can simply add that. And then finally, what is the major project that you have done or that you have studied during your bachelor's level? You can simply add there. And then reference, you can simply mention the reference. Who are the reference? I have my reference here. And then finally, declaration. I solemnly declare that all of the above information is correct to best my knowledge and belief. I guess if you are gonna make your CV in this format, then I think your chance of getting your job might be a bit more, rather than to make other lame CVs. Like I have also other CVs which I had made previously, but none of them had worked. So like this way, I have just made a CV, a simple CV, and when I applied for the job, then they said that this is not that much good enough in order to hire you. You should maintain your CV to the utmost level at first. So this was my previous CV, but this CV was not that much helpful, so I tried to make a new one, and I decided to share that newly made CV so that you can also make the CV just after your study period. And I hope this will help you a bit. And if you are going to make CV in this way, then the chance of getting hired will be a little bit more. So anyway guys, if you have any confusion regarding to this about how to make CV and each and that, then you can simply comment me below, and then I can help you maybe. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and stay safe. God bless us all.